Babugan Buhle Betfu. Hello and welcome to yet another brilliant episode of your favorite show. This is Buhle Betfu and my name is Nelly Somakanya. Today we are back in the capital city. We are in Mbabane. To be exact, I am at the door of the Bean & Co Urban Cafe, which is a wonderful establishment that is right above Nando's, opposite Build, opposite KFC, right in the city of Mbabane. We want to find out what is it that they have to offer to you as you come and visit them here, because I know that you are coming for them. Let's see what they have for us here. Let's go. I'm going back inside. Hi, how are you, bud?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm great, man. Can you please introduce yourself, your name, your surname, and also the position that you have here?
Okay, my name is Sisegelo Ngumado, and I'm a supervisor here and a sushi chef.
Okay, all right, that's amazing. So what kind of a place do we have here? What's the name of this place that we're here at, and what kind of a place do you have in general?
Yeah, okay, this is Bean & Co. So it's famously known for its coffees. So it's a nice place where you can come and get quick, delicious meals or a working space because it's very quiet here.
Okay. All right, so where do we find Bean & Co? For me, the name, okay, I'm used to the place. I know that there's a place like this, like okay. But coming to the name, I just didn't know about it. So where do you find this wonderful place that we're talking about?
Okay, it's above Nando's, opposite Hilton Garden Inn. So you can also check us on Facebook and Instagram at Bean & Co.
All right, that's amazing. So, and okay, for somebody long at Bean & Co, what kind of a place, or rather, what do you offer in this space?
Okay, we have an all-day breakfast because some people, are so into breakfast. So we are famously known for our breakfast and freshly squeezed juices. Okay. And then there's coffee. We do also have mains and our burgers and the smoothies.
My name is Buhle Tushongwa. I am a waitress here. So now we are going to make a cappuccino. Go our hats. Come and taste our coffee made with so much love. Saying hi, how are you?
I'm good.
There's your coffee. Enjoy your cappuccino.
Thank you so
made
much.
with so much love.
Oh, wow, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, so Segelo, do you in your space cater for people maybe with special diets or special needs? We have our vegans, vegetarians, and things like that.
We do have some things that people like vegans and maybe lactose intolerant people can have here in our space. So we do have our wraps here, which don't have meat. Some of them don't have meat, and some just with vegetables for the vegetarians, and our burgers too, because we have chicken, beef, and then we have what's this one made of chickpeas.
No.
Yes, for vegetarian people that don't like meat.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, sorry.
Alright, this is my single fry up. It has a bit of everything. If you're looking for the lightest breakfast, this would be your go-to.
No, all right, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Have a bite.
Alright.
So I'm really interested in the kind of events that you allow here, or other activities people can get up to when they are here.
Okay. So yeah, mostly we do have people coming in here for meetings, and we also have meeting rooms which you can book online under Oracle. That's a website that we use. So if you want to have a meeting maybe in a private place, so that we can do that.
What's the collaboration between Binenco and Oracle? Because when you step in here, the first thing that you see is also the Oracle logos and everything that's going in. So if you could just take us through that, shed some light on that.
Okay, there's a collaboration between us and Oracle. So we share the same space with Oracle Life Insurance.
Okay.
And so our Oracle clients, they get free cappuccino and a sweet treat between 8 and 10.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So since you have hosted, I think it's a good space for people, different people, as you have said. So what are their reviews? What are they saying about the place as they are coming through here? Your business people, those that are just coming for lunches, breakfast, what are they saying about the place? What are the reviews?
Okay, so far we've had positive responses from our customers. Just positive vibes all the way.
All right. So are there any other things we can look up to in the future that are coming up here, maybe as improvements or something in the pipeline that is coming up?
Yes, we're still working on our rebranding, and we might also have some more events coming in.
Okay.
Yeah, with some good feels in it, some rhythm in it, something like poetry nights. Yeah. So for our Instagram and Facebook, it's Bean & Co. And our helpline cell phone number, it's 7633-4964. So you can call there if you want to place an order, or maybe just want to find out more about the place.
Okay. All right. That's cool. So right now, I'd like you to speak directly to the camera and just invite Emaswati over to your space.
Oh, okay. I'm Mr. Segelo, and I'm the supervisor and associate chef here. And I would like to invite people to come over at Bean & Co. above Nando's. Our trading hours are 7:30 to 5:30 p.m. And come and enjoy breakfast, all day breakfast with us, our mains. We also have fresh juices, which is very rare here in Babane. And we also make the best cappuccino in town.
Babugel Babuhle Betfu, I hope you're still enjoying your favorite show. Right now, let's take a short break, because when you come back, we still have more for you right here in the capital. Welcome back, Babugel Babuhle Betfu. Solo sisedolobheni elikhulu laseMbabane, and right now we are here at the Albert Millen, where we want to find out ukuthi ngabe ke bona yini labafuna ukukulethela yona usesekhaya, usacabanga ukuthi nguphi la ungavakashela khona edolobheni elikhulu. Let's find out what is it that they have to offer. Follow me, follow me. Hi, how are you, Sisi?
Ngiyaphila bhuti unjani?
Ngiyaphila nami bengicela uthi introduce igama lakho, sibongo neposition lonayo la ekhaya.
Okay, igama lami ngitengetile ngwakathela, ngiyi-waitress lakhaya.
All right. Nasikhuluma ngekhaya ngabe sikhuluma ngakuphi vele. What's the name of your place nayo la?
Igama lendzawo lana kuse-Albert Millen.
All right.
The Albert Millen, yes.
The Albert Millen.
Yes.
All right, so where do we find the Albert Millen?
I-Albert Millen is in Mbabane. I'll say opposite Prince of Wales, ngingathi opposite Phinze Emsakatweni.
Okay.
Noma on your way to Coronation Park.
Okay.
Yes, those places, either Prince of Wales, emsakatweni or behind Coronation Park.
Yeah, wamention
Yes.
indzawo leto sowufikile
So
ngase Albert Millen.
yes. Wenza nje emsakatweni, that's the Albert Millen.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Labanye bantfu baye bathi Mbabane Club.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So Albert Millen ke indzawo le kanjani? What kind of a place do you have here?
Okay, Albert Millen indzawo yekudla netinatfu.
Okay.
Sithengisa kudla. I would say sithengisa lunch.
Okay.
Siserva lunch nema drinks mainly. Because breakfast we do have it, but we serve it the other side, the club side. But ngala Albert Millen sesithengisa lunch.
Okay.
Noma ngathi brunch or whatever you can call it, because mostly kudla kwefuka siboma finger foods.
Okay.
Yes, kudla kwefuka kanjalo ma finger foods, boma chicken strips.
Okay.
Wings, my wraps, burgers. We do have nema curries.
Okay.
Yes, nema curry, bo oxtail, nabo yini lesinayo, nema platters.
Okay.
We do have nema platters. Now all my platters mainly are consist of my finger foods. Because
Okay.
I have my samosa, pieces of my vosi, my chipsy. Na lokunye nyama ke kukhona nako. Yes.
Sanibonani. Yes, so libito lami ngumcebo Mzabele. Head chef walakhaya Albert Millen. So embe kwami la ngine ma dishes ami lang 3 which is the Albert Millen Millen pizza.
Okay.
So and my wings, these are my wings and the stir fry here. So ndawuqala ngale pizza yami ke kuyichaza kabantu. So this is the Millen pizza. The Millen pizza ke ngiyona vele lesidume ngayo lakhaya. Ngoba vele njengoba sithi Millen pizza nalibito la lakhaya Albert Millen. So Millen pizza yethu ke it consists of bacon lakhathi, in mushrooms, in feta, then pepperoni. Bese sesifaka likotapeni, but likotapeni silifaka if ulifuna noma ungalifuni uyasho futhi ukuthi no ever, but njengalo kwasathi ukuthi likotapeni ke li-seasonal kuyendeka libe khona kuyendeka ngabi khona. So yeah, ma pizza ethu ke sinengcumbi ke ngabekisa nje at least boma 10, but nje ndawo mention nje a few. Sinabo bo meaty pizza laba khona la khazi labafaka nje inyama tethu lethi khona la khazi lokufaka khazi bo chicken bo beef whatsoever meat lesinayo la khaya. Sinabo bo pepper tube pizza, sinabo bo ham pizza, sinabo bo margarita pizza, sinabo bo mamawi pizza, and sinawo nema ma pizzas for the labo lokhanza ukuthi abadili inyama ma vegan. So sinawo ma pizzas la kanjalo. So yeah, ilapho for the ma pizza ethu. Then coming to my wings. My wings ethu ke lakhaya sinema categories langu 3. Where sinama ukuthi siqala ku 6 wings. Okay, sorry, I have 4 ma categories. Guna 6 wings, kube na 12 wings, kube na 18 wings, kube na 24 wings. Ama wings ethu ke siyawakramba. But ke kuyashiyana ngokuthi umumvu ukanjani ngoba khona lomunye longafuni flour, khona lomunye longafuni spice. So kuyendeka lo ongafuni nje lafana nje nalawa lengwendile lawa akrambiwe lawa, then afakwa isauce yethu. Lo ongafuni ke la krambiwe njengalawa kuyendeka simgrillele. We have grilled wings la khaya. Now ahamba ngalabo 6, 12, 18, 24. Yeah, so kuyendeka nawufuna nama chips uya-add etukalawa ugete nama chips ngeprice lenye leseyibekiwe. Yeah, so yeah, my wings ethu nje sinawo inkumbi cishe kangaka. Then coming to my stir fry. This is my veggie stir fry. Ufuna i-veggie, ufuna lokunenyama, we have chicken, we have beef. So yeah, we have a lot to get nema pastas lesinawo nje khona lakhaya, like bo creamy chicken broccoli, sinabo ma pastas sila njengabo linguine, a lot of pastors noma ngaqhamuka ngangibani nje lo tawuqhamuka nje athi uqhamuka evelele kuphi nakafuna ipastor we are chefs funa sakhe noma ngabe ayikho emenyini but ufuna sento esho ukuthi akajiki angakadli so ufuna simendele ipizza yakhe I mean stir fry sakhe adle ajabule so lakhaya ke we have plenty of food lokukhona sinabo nabo Mozambican chickens siyawenda ama baby chickens ke ayipho lakhaya lesikwendako so siyakwendela ama baby chickens ethu elamnanzi ngalenye indlela bagijimela wona ke vele lakhaya bagijima ipizza ama baby chickens stir fry number 1 bagijima bayathaputa nje wafika nje umuntu uqala bude ukuthi ikhona in baby chicken sithi khona so vele ngiyole sihamba phambili sinabo ke nabo oxtail lakhaya siyabenta which is my favorite and hayi ngiyayishaya ngikude so nami ngiyadethemba ke la unangenda yona so ihamba oxtail yethu ihamba nepalishi iyahamba nemesh ihamba nerice kuya ukuthi ufuna ini wena then iba nama veg nyana la celeni so yeah sinako ke boma beef prego chicken pregos kudla kwethu nje cishe kunenge imenu yethu ungayifunza ngiyawuyidla yonke inenge kakhulu nalokunye lokungekho la menuini nje siyakwakhela thina na utawuqhamuka nje uthi nina koyini kudla lokukaso noma ngasidi senda show ukuthi siyakwakha kuze kugcine kungilembo lekhona ngoba inhloso yethu ukuthi sibambe abantu bangahambi sibita nalabakhashane noma ngawakuphi noma ngangiliphi live sine sel catering la khaya ema events ayendeka makhona lamakhulu nalamancane siyawakhetharisha kwakhona thine sinayo imenu yabo nje lehlukile lokutakhanzakala ukuthi batawukhetha kiyo lokho labakufunako otherwise siyawakhetharishela ama big events kwanza ukuthi sikhona abo buffet noma khanza ukuthi siyabendela thine ke lokho labatakhetha nje sibendele wona noma ngayini nje event lekhona siyakhona kuyinakekela thina.
Events lesike saba nawo lamakhulu I'll say pop Sunday sithumenge pop Sunday sibe nayo maybe once in 3 months
Okay.
Kuyashiyana letikhathi siba nayo nini but ngathi isikhathi siba nayo ngathini siba nayo once in 3 months kushiyane ngalomvulo loyendako because khona lomvulo yendako thine lesiye sithathe sekuye kuthi yena utawutane nayo but event lenkulu esike sayenda iPop Sunday sa hosta Anglo Waffles I think twice sa hosta Anglo Waffles those are the big events esiba nawo ke iPop Sunday where people beta nema stalls zabo bathengise food stalls whatever ma stalls lebeta nabanye bathengisa ibadla abanye bathengisa even big companies nebamphana nabo ba accommodated labo jumping castle face painting. Those are the big events lesiba nawo Pop Sunday and then bese siba nalokunye ke lokuba kuncane kuma events lesiba nawo nje sine la khaya njengabo karaoke night sine karaoke night bahlabele ama customer tejabulise ngaloko and then ma Friday usually we have a DJ
so the karaoke nights how frequent one
maybe once a month on Thursdays yes once a month on Thursday siba ne karaoke night yes so we host my birthday parties baby shower whatever party lonayo nje ke ihlobo leparty lonayo ngendeka kuvalelisa emsebentini siyaba nalo ihlobo lema party kanjalo but kudla ke nilethola ngithi you don't come with your own food but nanifuna nalokuhlukile kudla nina nivangazi ukuthi maybe anikufuna la kumenu senikujwayele ningasho le nikufunako njengibekise ngapha nele tinkulu tiyetende kanjalo ukuthi maybe bafuna platha lehlukile bona uyasho iplatha labayifuna ke ma sandwiches siyabendela nabafika ekseni because abanye clients bafuna ukufika ekseni badlale on our playground because the ground lelikhulu yakhona accommodator bamla bafuna ukudlala ama games sports whatever la bafuna kwenda leyo ngapane yes bo team building bayafika ekseni sibendele ma sandwiches ngelunch ke sibendele kudla labakufunile bona ke nangabe maybe lelo la ku menu abakakuthandi noba bafuna lokukhulu kunaloko siyabendela kona operating hours we operator from Monday to Sunday and then tikhathi ke tiyashiyana Monday nje sivula from 10 to I say 8 Monday and then from Tuesday Wednesday maybe 10 to 10 and then from Thursday to Saturday lapho ke 10 to 12 sesivala nga 12 lapho ke then Sunday nakhona sivula from 10 to 8 I'll say yes 10 to 8 on Sunday and then again nakunalabo pop Sunday nakhona sivala nga 12 because sisedolobheni funa sihloniphe tikhathi sivala nga 12 nakhona yes
okay so I'm interested kuma reviews eba customer leniya nibe nawo la Albert Millen mina nje Albert Millen ngive ngayo kakhulu even before I had come here bengive ngayo kakhulu kuma youngsters a lot of people so what kind of clientele leniya nibe nayo la nekuthi bathini vele ngalenzayo
okay all right ema customer ethu asukela kulomncane kuya kulomdzala because siyaba nabo bamphana batidlalela groundini ngalo malanga labete ngawo maybe on Saturday or whatever day labakhethe kutangalo siyaba accommodate abamphana badlalela groundini bamphla abadzala meetings yeah accommodator lonke ihlobo lebamfu suka kulomncane kuya kulomdzala siyaba accommodator yes and of course vele shangifanele basikhulume kahle we are the most popular place lambavali sinato tinapho sinato tinaso talabadzala talabadzala netebamphana tikhona soft drinks yes tikhona netebamphana netalabadzala ke yes tikhona tikhona beers ciders cocktails yes
sanibonani babukele emakhaya lona ngizwele Dlamini ngisebenza at the Albert Millen as a barman ndanendela ama cocktail ne mocktail so asiqale ngale mocktail la when it still works lawa ama drinks leso provider la eMillen then I say right.
So usually because inzawo leseva kudla isedolobheni niyawenda inema orders ngoba nakunisedolobheni noma mhlambe ke ikhanze sekulungisiwe noma kuhamba kanjani on deliveries and orders
okay ma order ungatendela order lakho and you can pick it up ungayenda ne order lakho through S13E11 but ke nyalo sesinako ngaphandle kwa S13E11 nathi sesinaye delivery guy wethu leyasidelivele kudla kwethu yes sinaye delivery guy beside S13E11 na S13E11 yes siyamsebenzisa because yena upopular sicale ngaye then but nathi singapha nesesinaye wethu lo sidelivela kokudla kwethu
oh okay is that ihamba kanjani ngele service leyo
oh at a fee of course
at a fee
okay at a fee
all right
definitely
okay please mention lama handles your social media handles athi lama social media handles netinombolo telicingo ke bantu labangathi sebenzisa kuchumana nani for bookings or inquiries nako konke
okay satholakala ka Facebook the Albert Millen naga Instagram satholakala nakhona it's the Albert Millen and then bese ke tinombolo tefe sitholakala kito it's cell phone number it's 78227066 yes naga WhatsApp ke same number siyatholakala you can make your order yes or make ama bookings akho hi balalele makhaya babukeli Albert Millen inzawo the-accommodator wonke muntu, siyanemukela kiyo, ama-birthday parties, ngawa-hosta lana, ama-events enu, year-end emisebentini, noma ngabe ngiluphi uhlobo lwama-events siyal-accommodator, siyanemukela. Nite enzaweni yethu siyanemukela ngetandla letiphokomele, siniphe nekudla lokumnanzi. Siyabonga.
Babukeli babuhle betfu, I hope you enjoyed everything that was brought for you on your favorite show. You will continue following us on all our social media platforms, mainly our YouTube channel, S13E TV YouTube channel. That is where you find our full episodes. Make sure that you also follow me on Facebook and text me there. Let's talk about the show. Neliswa WM Makanya with a blue tick. Until next week when you bring you more exciting and exclusive content. Goodbye.